Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to withdraw money from Steam to bank account. So first you need to open your browser and go to Steam website. Log into your Steam account. Then click on your username in the top right corner of the screen and select account details from the drop down menu. Click on the view purchase history button. Then find transaction that you want to withdraw and click on it. Click on the request refund button. Then choose bank transfer as your refund method. Fill in your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Then click on the submit request button. And that's how to withdraw money from Steam to bank account. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.